It's 5:45 in the morning. The wind is blowing. It's been blowing all night. Power went out about 1:30 in the morning, all up and down the valley. But Esther and her wonderful self are still up. I'm ready to head to seminary. How you doing, Esther?
Pretty good.
You know, standing here inside the house, I'm not sure does it justice. But if you can hear that sound, that is nothing but the wind. It is intense. We've had up to 60-mile-an-hour gusts the last week, for several days now. Power was out because power poles blew down in the storm, and I'm actually finding it incredibly miraculous that greenhouse still has a plastic covering on it. We're hoping it holds. It's a tremendous wind. Days ago. The gusts that knocked down the power poles also knocked down one of our neighbor's barns. Incredible damage. The whole thing's gone. It moved a truck and a trailer down the road. Kind of phenomenal. Surprisingly, the greenhouse is still there, but it's really taken a beating. Nevada knows how to do windstorms, that's for sure. I wanted to capture some of the crazy wind we've been experiencing all week long. It's been pretty intense. I think I showed you the pictures of the snow yesterday, and we had rain today and really high winds, like 60-mile-an-hour winds that blew most of it away. I have my concerns about the greenhouse, but it's still there. I mean, the stones are still there and they're going to be there, but the plastic is still there too. Yeah. 60-mile-an-hour gusts. If the greenhouse can survive this, we'll be in good shape. We'll see how it goes. So along with the wind came some warmer temperatures and rain. And so it is really slick out here right now. Dangerously so. So we were pretty worried about the greenhouse, but it did okay. However, William is doing some work in here to further secure the plastic. Show you what's going on. I'm going to scooch in down here on the camera so you can see it. He's actually outside right now from the looks of it. But down there, you can see the... Oh my gosh, tell me you're a farmer without telling me you're a farmer. That's evidence right there. Oh. Security standards, man. There's scaffolding and a ladder. Oh, so what they're doing is they're going to secure more of these. I don't know if you can even see it. I'm going to get it at a different angle. Because these have been very effective at holding onto the plastic in the high winds. We're actually planning on replacing this plastic with a solid covering, but we're hoping we can get another year out of this, at least. I don't know, might not. There's actually two different kinds of plastic here. There's the so there's the one that you actually see up here, and then there's that one hanging down. That's the plastic that did not work. It's the first one we put on. Hey, do you want to take a couple minutes and tell us about what you're doing?
Sure.
Awesome. It'll be better than my explanation.
We're putting supports on this plastic to hold it down so that the wind doesn't blow it away. We built this greenhouse to have a rigid covering on it, but while we're saving money to buy a rigid covering, we have this one because we wanted to start growing food. But the wind's been hard on it. So we're installing these boards here and here, and then we tie them down tight so it pulls this down. And you can see this one's kind of loose right now, but these have been on here for 9 months, so we need to come through and tighten them up again. But that's what we're installing right now up here on the
And you're
other side.
putting it on the north side, right? Because you've got them all along the south side, so just that north
So
side.
we're putting on
Cool.
about 10 more.
That's great. All right, there's our update. Well, I have to go to class today, so I won't be back till tomorrow, and we'll see how it all looks when it's done.